How to activate BankID on new phone? To activate BankID on a new phone, here are the general steps to follow. Start by downloading or installing the BankID app on your new phone. You can find the app in the official App Store for your device. If your BankID is already active on your old phone, open the BankID app on that device. Look for an option that allows you to transfer or move BankID to a new device. This option is often available in the settings or security section. The app will guide you through the process of transferring your BankID. This may involve entering a new code or confirming the transfer on both the old and new device. You may need to verify your identity during the transfer process. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.